I received a request recently on how to set up collections in Redbubble. So that's what this video is going to be. I'm going to show you how to set up a collection here, a quick tutorial. So I am on the main page here in Redbubble, and I have to laugh because I did a video recently on rude designs. And so the design ideas picked for me are like horribly perverted. So anyway, say what you want. My channel is classy. Okay, so we're going to jump in here and I'm going to go up to the account button on the very top right, and then I'm going to go into manage portfolio. Okay, so here I've got some designs set up in my little account here, and let's pretend I want to move these barcode designs. I've got this one, this one, this one, and this one, and I want to move them into a collection. So what I would do is, instead of clicking the collections, because that's where most people go and you'd be wrong, you want to stay here in works. Okay, right now under collections, I have no collections. Okay, so I'm under works. Now what you're going to do is select an item and watch right about here. When I select this item, all of a sudden these items, these options come up. So I uncheck it, check it. Okay, so now I'm going to go into collections. I have no collections, but I'm going to type in something. I'm going to type in circular, no, not circular. I'm going to type in barcode art. Okay, so I'll do that. Then I'm going to select the plus button. Now that gives me an option. So I'm going to select it, barcode art, and I'm going to pick add. One work has been successfully added to barcode art. Now when I go into the collections tab at the top, there will be my collection here. It's called barcode art. One item is in it. I'm going to go back into works, and let's say I'd like to add in these 3 items. I'll just select all 3. I'll look at collections, drop down. I'll select barcode art, and then I will pick add. Now 3 works have been successfully added to barcode art. And now when I go up to the top, when I select collections, there's now 4 items in here. There's skier guy, half pipe guy, Eiffel Tower, and then tree head. So I've got the 4 sitting in here. So works is really where you're going to set up your collections. Let's say I wanted to do this space item here, Apollo 11 Buzz Aldrin. So I want to select a new one. So that I'm going to select that. Collections comes up. Going to type in circular space, hit plus. Now I've got 2 options. I'll select circular space and I'll select add. One work has been successfully added to circular space. So that's how you add in items into your collection. Now I'm going to select the collections tab here at the top, and let's pretend I want to pick a cover image here. Set a cover image for your collection by clicking the gear icon and select edit. So now I'm editing the collection itself. So there's this little gear icon here. I'm going to select edit. Same sort of deal. When I select one item, all of a sudden I've got this option that comes up. So that's how you can remove one from a collection. Now I don't want to do that. I just want to select this as, let's say, tree head guy is going to be my cover image. So I'm going to select the little gear, set as collection cover. Okay, so now I'm going to click the update collection button. And now we can see tree head guy is now my cover image for the barcode art. And of course, circular space is just a 1 because I only had the 1 image in that collection. So I hope you found that helpful. The trick here is to go into manage portfolio, and then under manage portfolio, stay in works. Don't go into collections necessarily right away. And then you can go in here and go, I really want to add this one to a collection. This little thing will come up. Then you can select it, select what collection you'd like to add it to, and then select add, and it will give you verification right there. Hope you guys found that helpful. Quick little tutorial about the inner workings of Redbubble. Have a great day, everyone.